Hello student, welcome back. I hope all are fine. Today we are here to discuss our second chapter of moral science. As you can see the name of the chapter, Grandpa's Neighbor. Student, in this chapter we are going to learn about our neighbor and what are the qualities of good neighbors and how can neighbor be helpful for us. So students, first of all, a neighbor is a person who lives nearby, normally in a house or apartment that is next door or across the street. Students, having good neighbor is important because it makes our life in a neighborhood safer, happier and more fun. We also pretend to have more peace of mind, although we can choose our friend but not our neighbors. We must remember that we get what we give. Good neighbor can be especially helpful when you are away from home. They can keep an eye contact on your property, take your mail, and walk your dog. It can be far more peaceful to live among neighbors that like and respect each other, especially when they are living in close proximity. Respectfully, neighbors are less likely to invade your space, be loud and rowdy, and make overall daily life stressful. Good neighbors are friendly, quiet, and respect the building. They handle situation maturely and they are also trustworthy. So students, never be helpful in times of need. Never do our work like throwing the garbage. Never celebrate festival with us and share things with each other. Common neighbor complaints like throwing garbage here and there. Sometimes neighbors play a loud music and make a lot of noise. They may fight in some situation and problems with local children. So students, sometimes people have a problem with their neighbors. While good neighbors can make our life easier and happy, a bad neighbor can cause a lot of troubles. The usual issues might face loud noise, quarrel, complaints, disturbance from loud music, and issues with children, gardening, and garbage. Like these problems sometimes may create. So, students, we learn more from this story also. So, let's start the chapter. First paragraph. Grandpa had many stories to tell. Anu loved to hear the ones about their house. Tell me more about our house, please, said Anu. Students, Grandpa had many stories to tell, but Anu loved to hear about his house. Anu told to his grandpa, please tell something more. Grandpa smiled. 30 years ago, he had built the house they still lived in, but he could talk about it every day. Each day, he had something new to recall. Grandpa smiled and says that he built this house 30 years ago and we still live here, and every day they tell something new about this house. When we built this house, ours was the only one around, said Grandpa. That sounded strange. Anu looked out at the street and saw the twinkling lights of houses that touched each other. They looked as if they were saying, great to be your neighbor. Student, this para mean Anu's grandpa tell her that when he built this house, he was the only one around. That sounded strange. Anu looked outside and sees that the twinkling light of the house touching each other, and they are saying, a great to be your neighbor. Then, so did not you have neighbors? Quizzed Anu. Anu again asked, you did not have neighbor? Of course, we had neighbors. There were neem trees and mango trees, said Grandpa. There were crows and minnas, parrots and sparrows. As the sunset pack of jackals would come out and howl. Then Grandpa replied, "Of course, we had a neighbor, like neem trees, mango trees, crow, manna, parrots, and sparrow, sunset, pack of jackal, there they all are my neighbor." Grandpa smiled. These birds and animals never made the neighborhood dirty like people do. Grandpa smiled and says that all birds and animals are not like that neighborhood who make dirty around us. Then Grandpa said, every few months, new neighbors built their houses and shifted in. Old neighbors like trees and birds, cats and dogs lost their homes. Then Grandpa said that in every few months, new students, it means whenever the new neighbor come to make their home in the place of that animal and they become homeless. Anu looked out again. There were cars and people on the street. She says she does not like Mrs. Chopra because she pinches her cheeks. Grandpa laughed. We cannot choose our neighbors, nor can they choose, but we should be kind and polite to them. It is difficult to be happy in an unhappy neighborhood. Grandpa starts laughing and says, we never choose neighborhood, nor they. We should must kind and polite with them because it is very difficult to survive in an unhappy environment. Anu's cheek hurt at the thought of meeting Mrs. Chopra the next morning, but perhaps Grandpa was right. Mrs. Chopra was always happy to see her, and she never forgot to share with Anu those delicious cakes she baked. The next time she pinches my cheek, I will shut my eyes and think of the cake, said Anu. Student, this paragraph means that Mrs. Chopra is very happy to see Anu, and whenever she make cake, don't forget to share with Anu. Anu says that whenever she pinches my cheek, she will close her eyes and think of the cake. So, students, from this above chapter, we learned we should be kind and polite to our neighbors. We should must not disturb our neighbor by making loud noises or throwing things. Happy neighbors make a happy neighborhood. So, let's come in exercise. So, student, first question, what did Grandpa love to talk about? Grandpa loved to talk about their house. Second question, when was the house built? The house built 30 years ago. Did Grandpa have neighbors long ago? Who were they? Yes, Grandpa had neighbors long ago. They were neem trees, mango trees, crows, minnas, parrots, and sparrows. Fourth question, why did the bird and trees disappear from the neighborhood? The birds and trees disappeared from the neighborhood because in every month new neighbors built their house. Fifth question, how was the neighborhood different from old times? Neighborhood different from old times because old neighbors like bird, plants and animals never made the neighborhood dirty like people do. Now let's come in fill in the blanks. A neighbor is someone who lives near you. We must be kind and polite to our neighbors. We must not play loud music and disturb our neighbors. We should greet our neighbors when we meet. It is nice to celebrate festivals with our neighbors. Now let's come in. Take the correct answer. Why is it good to have neighbor? Take the right reason. Never do our work like throwing the garbage. Yes, never helps in every situation. Neighbors help us in times of need. Yes. Here we will also put tick. Here we will also put a tick. Neighbors are no use to us. False. Neighbor are helpful in times of need. It is fun to celebrate happy days with our neighbor. Yes. We play with our neighbor in the park. Yes. Neighbors don't mind if we play loud music and make a lot of noise. False. Yes, they may be mind. It is fun to fight with our neighbors. No. Here we will put a cross. Now exercise is over. So students, if you have any problem related to this chapter, you can opt for it, and if you have any queries regarding any chapter, you can knock, and whatever PDF and written notes plan you are getting, you should must write and learn carefully. So we'll see you in next class. Thank you.